first step to making your duct tape wallet is to make 9 strips that are 8 inches long.
After successfully cutting 9 pieces of duct tape, grab 2 strips and overlay them so that they are 3 inches in length, like so. After carefully overlaying the 2 strips of duct tape to equal 3 inches in height, grab 2 more strips and apply them sticky side to sticky side. And repeat that step a second time so that you may have 2 sheets of duct tape. Carefully trim off the excess tape so that no sticky side is showing. Then cut 1 strip of duct tape that is 3 inches tall and cut it in half so that you have 2 strips of duct tape. Then carefully attach the 2 strips of duct tape on each end using the 2 strips you just cut. Then trim off the excess sticky on each side. Finally, take your last long strip of duct tape and apply it to the bottom of your wallet. This will make your money pocket. Carefully fold it over on the other side, making sure there are no wrinkles in the tape. And as usual, if you have any excess duct tape, make sure to trim that off.
The next step is to make 6 3 3/4 inch strips, 2 5 1/2 inch strips, 4 4 3/4 strips, and 2 3 1/2 inch strips.
To start making your vertical pocket, grab 2 3 3/4 inch strips and overlay them so they are 3 inches in height. Make sure that that's straight as you can get it. If you have to trim it, that's okay. Carefully lay it down and then grab your 4 3/4 inch strips and place that. Make sure you have a little bit excess on each end, the top, the bottom, and the left, and make sure like so that it's really straight, because we're trying to make this look great. Flip it over and carefully cut the corners so that when we fold it we won't have extra duct tape sticking out. Again, we're gonna want to try to make this look really great, so take your time on this and make sure you get each corner cut out perfectly. Carefully fold it over so there are no wrinkles, and for the top one you're going to have to fold into the pocket. Now you will need to repeat this step 2 times so that you may have 2 vertical pockets on each side of your wallet. We now have 2 vertical pockets, and we will begin to make our horizontal pocket. Take your 3 3/4 inch strip and place it where you'd like it. Next, grab your 3 1/2 inch strip and put sticky side to sticky side to make sure it sits still. Make sure you line it up perfectly because we're trying to make this wallet look great. Now take your 5 1/2 inch strip and carefully place it over the 3 3/4 inch strip that you just placed down. Again, we're trying to make this wallet look great, so make sure that there's no wrinkles and make sure that there's no sticky side showing on the duct tape. This next step may be kind of tedious at first, but on the inside of your wallet, take the 5 1/2 strip and fold it into the vertical pocket that we made, and make sure that there's no wrinkles. It's really hard, but you'll get used to it after a while. After carefully securing your pocket, go ahead and do it a second time on the other side so that you may have 4 pockets altogether. We're going through this kind of fast, so make sure if you have any questions to go back and watch it over one more time.